Hey boys and girls, what's up? It's Amy again, and today I'm going to show you something cool and interesting. Today I'm going to show you how to do planting inside a Ziploc bag. A Ziploc bag? Is that even possible? Okay, boys and girls, let's get ready. These are the materials that we have today to make sure we have the perfect plant. Right now, I have a couple of Ziploc bags, actually just one that we need to use today. I have some white beans that we're going to use to plant. Look at those. I also have a jar of water that we're going to need to use today, and paper towel. Let's go, guys. Okay friends, so the first step to this project is we need a paper towel and we're gonna fold it. Watch me how to fold it. So that's the first fold, and now we're gonna go to the next fold. That's number 2, and one more time, 3. Looks good, guys. Now we're gonna use this paper towel and dip it in the water that I have in the jar. Okay, boys and girls, one important rule: make sure the paper towel isn't too soggy, and if there's too much water, make sure you rinse them out. Look at how I do it. Voila! The first step is done! Look at that, guys. And if there's more water, make sure you do rinse it out in the jar that we have there. That was fun to do. Now it's time to put the beans inside the paper towel. Make sure you unfold the paper towel very carefully. Make sure it does not rip. Now it's time to put the beans in the paper towel. Make sure you get your parents or your friends to help you with this one. It wasn't really easy for me to do it myself either. I had a couple tries on this. Now it's time to fold the paper towel together. Make sure you fold it the way we folded it before. And if it's a little hard, that's okay. As long as the beans are inside the paper towel, that's all that matters. Now that the beans are ready to go, I'm going to show you how to put it in the Ziploc bag. Let's watch, guys. Okay, boys and girls, now make sure that you close the Ziploc bag, but only halfway, so the plants can grow and have enough oxygen. Dun da da da! Okay, boys and girls, we did it. Make sure you document it and take lots of pictures of the growth. I would love to see it. Okay, boys and girls, wasn't that super cool? Planting inside a Ziploc bag, you're gonna watch it grow. And once you guys watch it grow, make sure you take pictures of it, document it, do whatever you guys can do to show your friends, show your teachers, and show your peers. Let's go, guys. Let's do this together. I'll see you next time. Bye.